Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn motional EMF from Faraday law. Okay? Student, as you see, the magnetic field is from inside the plane. Okay? Now we have just placed a frame of a metallic frame PQRS. Okay? Now PQ is the wire which slide over the frame. We can slide it in this way. Okay? So that the area, if we slide in this direction, then what happens? The area of PQRS decreases, and if we slide the PQ in this direction, what happens? The area of PQRS increases. Okay? So that's why motional EMF from Faraday law induce EMF produced by change of area. How it will be changed? By sliding the wire PQ, okay, of the coil linked with magnetic field. Because why? Because this frame is inserted in the magnetic field as shown in figure. Before going to start this one, first I have to explain the Fleming right hand rule. Okay, student? The thumb show the motion. Okay, listen carefully. If we hold our right hand in such a way that thumb, forefinger, in the index finger all are in the perpendicular direction. Okay, this show the motion. Okay, this show the thumb show the motion, forefinger show the current, and index finger show the, okay, are you getting current? So just like that, just think that this is the magnetic field, and this will show, this one show the magnetic field. Okay, then in this direction inside the, okay. Now what happened? Thumb show the motion. If we slide PQ with velocity v, okay, in this direction, then this is the magnetic field, student, and motion this one, and direction of current is from P to Q. Okay, direction of current is from P to Q. It means the flow of electron is from Q to P. Is it clear? The direction of the current from right hand rule, we can say direction of the current in this way. This shows the magnetic field, forefinger show the magnetic field, thumb show the motion, then current, index finger show the current. The direction of current in the frame when we moved, okay, when we change the magnetic field, and we know that when we are change the magnetic field, it means change in flux, and whenever change in flux, there will induce EMF. Then from P to Q, direction of current from P to Q, in this way we can PQ, that is I, this is again I, the direction of current in the frame PQRS. Okay, student? This one point I think you have got. Okay? So just consider what direction of current we have done. And one more thing. We know the direction of current. Okay? We know the flux. When we just move the PQ in this direction, there will be change in magnetic field. And one more thing, there is a decrease in area. There is a decrease in area. And flux equal to phi equal to B dot A. We know that phi equal to B dot A. Okay, student? Then what is the area? Just think about it. What is the area of the frame PQRS? Just think. It is the length. Is it clear? L, and it is the breadth. Are you getting this point now? Then what is the area? Area of simple rectangular frame is length into breadth. Then what? Phi. Phi equal to, from the same direction, that cos theta 0. So we can write that phi equal to B length into breadth. That is the area. Phi equal to BLX. Okay, student? I think you got it. Now, what is the induced EMF? We know that induced EMF E equal to d phi by dt, and we know here what is the value of, yes, what is the value of, yes student, what is the value of phi? value of phi dlx. Okay, dlx. Just put it here. E equal to d. I am writing here. E equal to d upon dt dlx. Okay, the magnetic field is constant. Magnetic field is constant. And what is it? The length SR will be not changed here, student. Why? Because it is a fixed. The what change? Change only action. When we are moving the frame in this direction, only the change there will be a action. Then what happens? E equal to d. Just take it b and l are constant. There will be change. Then dx by dt. Then E equal to, student, what is the dx by dt? Velocity. E equal to BLV. Okay? It is the expression. It is the expression for motional EMF. Okay? Induced EMF by change in area. We are just changing the area. Okay? For that we must learn what? Right hand rule. This is show the magnetic field. This show the motion. And then current, direction of current is from P to R S. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you, student.